I don't know about you guys, but lip fillers are not exactly in my agenda, but lip plumping products, bring it on. I'm all for it. And today we are doing try on testing a lips plumping kit, and specifically from Maelys. I hope I'm saying it correctly. In this kit, we have the lip scrub and we have the lip puff. So yeah, they go hand in hand together. They're definitely decent size. They retail for $29, I believe. I'm gonna start with the SMOOCH-IT lip scrub. It smells really good. It has a hint of strawberry, I believe. Going to scoop a little bit, and you're supposed to scrub it for about a minute. There you go. Oh, feels really nice. You're not supposed to eat it, but it doesn't taste bad. You're supposed to take it with a warm cloth, but I don't have a warm cloth right next to me, so it definitely brought off my lip color. Right off the bat, I do feel my lips a little plumper than it was. They do feel fuller. I don't know how to explain it. Like there's the circulation is going, so it kind of feels nice. Scrub is definitely yes in my book. Really like it. And right after, I'm gonna go in with the SMOOCH-IT lip puff. Actually, they both are called SMOOCH-IT, so the kit is called SMOOCH-IT. So I'm gonna go in with the lip puff. You're supposed to apply a small amount, so we're gonna do that. Ooh, I do feel kind of like a tingly burning sensation. It's pretty strong. I mean, it's bearable for me, but just keep in mind the lip is strong. You definitely feel something going on. So this is how it looks like right after. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back and we can compare the before and after. Oh my god, just look at these lips, you guys. Now again, I didn't expect them to be like overly exaggerated big. Lip plumper is not gonna do that. However, it did plump them up. The color of my lips definitely looks much better. I'm speechless. I'm in love with this kit. So yeah, definitely this kit is worth it. Must have in my books, in my kit. So yeah, I'ma use it.